Most people spend their whole life walking in these circles, not because they cannot walk forward, because nobody ever told them the horizon was worth reaching. You wake up, you do the same things, you go to sleep. You wake up again, days pass, then weeks, then years, and somewhere deep inside you, very quietly, a small voice asks the same questions always. Is this all there is? This story is for everyone who has ever heard that voice. Once upon a time, in a flat dry land lived a group of tortoises. They had lived in the same place from a long time. Same patch of ground, same grass, same shade, same slow, comfortable days, moving in a small circle around everything they had always known. Life was safe, life was familiar, life was enough for most of them, but not for Rex. Rex had always been different from others, not faster, not stronger, not smarter, just different in one small way. Every morning, when other tortoises put their heads down and began eating, Rex lifted his head and looked at the horizon. That thin line far away, where the flat dry ground met the wide open sky. He had looked at it his whole life, and his whole life he had wondered the same thing. What is beyond it? The other tortoises had noticed this habit for his long ago. There is nothing out there, Rex, they told him. We have always been here. This is where tortoises live. This is what tortoises do. Rex never argued. He just kept looking. There is a feeling that dreamers know better than anyone else. The feeling of wanting something you cannot fully explain. Of looking at a horizon that nobody else seems to see. Of carrying a question inside you that the people around you stopped asking a long time ago. If you have ever felt this, then you already know exactly what Rex felt every single morning of his life. One morning, Rex simply started walking. No announcement, no goodbye, no explanation. He just pointed himself toward the horizon and walked. The other tortoises watched him for a moment, then went back to eating. Rex walked all morning. The familiar patch of ground disappeared behind him. The shade he had always slept in became a distant memory. The grass he had always eaten was gone. The ground beneath his feet was harder here, drier, less comfortable in every way. He kept walking. Days passed. The sun was hot, the ground was long. There were mornings when the horizon looked exactly as far away as it had the day before. Mornings when walking felt completely pointless. Mornings when the memory of the comfortable patch of ground felt like the most sensible thing in the world. But Rex kept walking. Then one morning something changed. The ground beneath his feet felt different, softer. The air smelled different, cooler. The dry flat land around him began to slope gently downward. Rex walked faster, and then he saw it. A river valley, wide and green and full of life, clean water running through the middle of everything. Tall grass on both sides, shade from trees he had never seen before, food growing in more variety. He stood at the edge of it for a long time. just looking. This place had always been here, on the other side of the horizon that everyone told him was not worth reaching. He walked down slowly into the valley, felt the cool grass under his feet for the first time, drank from the clean river, stood in the shade of the tall trees. Then he lifted his head and saw the next horizon, further away, bigger, beyond the other side of the valley. And Rex smiled because he understood something now that he could not have understood before he started walking. The horizon never disappears, it moves with you. Most people never reach their horizon, not because it's too far, because they stop walking and gets uncomfortable. Your dream is not too big. Your steps are just too small and too infrequent. Start walking. Keep walking. The valley is already there.